the ultra-terrestrial hypothesis. It's one that many of us are unaware of. I had heard a little bit about it, but hadn't really focused on it. I was focusing on other dimensional beings and ETs, of course. The term was coined by John Keel in 1970. He was a paranormal researcher, and he was trying to put all paranormal categories together and try to explain them. He was heavily influenced, and there are some typos in here. I apologize. I didn't have time to change them. Jacques Vallée and other people that were members of Project Blue Book. He was heavily influenced by their research. And like I said, he's trying to explain everything: UFOs, cryptids, angels, demons, ghosts, poltergeists. He thinks he can explain everything by this one hypothesis. Now, this was, and probably still is, highly controversial and rejected by people in the esoteric and UFO research communities because, I mean, the DoD, they were very reluctant to accept a lot of this as well, but it became overwhelming. The evidence was just overwhelming. So according to Jacques Vallée, there seems to be some sort of presence that's been here since the beginning of time, since before we were here anyway. UFOs are he compares all of the different stories and myths from the past to the current UFO phenomenon and describes the trickster element. And there are some very absurd things reported that cause people to just reject the entire topic. If you, one of the examples is Skinwalker Ranch. There